So I came up with this idea a while back, and I've always wanted to do it since I've thought of it. I have either, one, I'm late to the party and people have done this before and I've just never seen it, or two, I'm a pure genius and I came up with something cool that nobody's ever done before. But I'm going to stick with number one, and we'll see how this goes. But what I want to do is take these shims, a whole bunch. So we're going to make a clock out of this. We'll see how it goes. Don't quote me on that. I might change my mind as we go through this process, but we'll see what happens. All right, well, let's get started. So my idea here is to glue up all these shims on edge like this until we make a full circle. Is it gonna work? I have no idea, but that's why we're gonna try. So I'm back with some more shims. I can't find the same exact ones as I started off with, but that's alright. I ended up taking a whole bunch out so that I could put this all around this fire extinguisher so I can get a better circle and a better idea of what it's going to look like. I'm still kind of messing with filling in these little gaps here and there. It's going to look a little something like that, which I think actually looks pretty cool. Also, what I'm going to do is lay down some wax paper so that the glue won't stick. At least, that's what I've heard. I don't know how true it is. I guess we're both going to find out together. So my battery died, but a little change in plans was that I decided to do this all at once because I was thinking it would be a lot easier to line everything up together rather than 4 separate pieces. Could that have been done? Yes. Would have been really hard? Yes. Am I dumb for doing this? Probably yes. But we'll see how it turns out. We're going to hope for the best. I think you guys should comment down below how many shims you think this is going to take. And then at the end, I'll count them all up and let you know. We're going to let this sit and dry and keep our fingers crossed that it's going to work. But this is the aftermath of the glue up, if you can see. Yeah, a little messy. Alright, so what I think I'm going to do is surface this one side so it's pretty flat and see how I like it. If I don't like it, then this will be the back and that'll be what goes on the wall. If I do like it, then I'll surface the other side and we'll go from there. So. I definitely like this look a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it over and do the other side. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, I don't know if you can see, but this has a little bit of a flex to it and I want to stiffen it up. So I'm going to glue a piece of 1/4 inch on the back here, and that should strengthen it up quite a bit actually. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, the 1/4 inch worked out great, stiffened it right up, but now what I want to do is just see these little cracks here. I want to fill that all in with epoxy, just because I don't really like how that looks, but yeah, it's coming out good. Masked off the bottom of this clock here, just in case any of these cracks go all the way through. I won't be wasting my epoxy and making a mess everywhere. So the bottom's taped off. Okay, so what I went ahead and did off camera was I cut out this circle, I glued and screwed this in from the back side, and that was just to build it out more for my plate here. And so, because what I bought was it's a wall clock that actually goes on the wall. So how you mount this is that your mechanism goes inside, and that gets bolted on through the front, or nut on through the front, and then there's this little nail that you would nail into the wall, and it catches this, and that's what hangs it. So I obviously can't do that on this, so what I needed to do was first build this out, and then I made this that fits inside. And obviously this is for the clock mechanism. Okay. And then I drilled, well, this hole was already there, but I drilled this hole so I could put a screw in from each side, and that should hold it, because what I'm going to do is, I'll get this out, so I'm going to glue and screw this onto that plate, and then I think it should work. So let's go ahead and see what happens. So that concludes my little experiment with the shims and making a clock out of them. I think it turned out pretty cool. I hope you guys did too. Maybe some of you will try it, but also, like I said before, leave a comment down below on how many shims you think this took. I've already counted them up, so I'll leave a comment of how many it actually took. So hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.